Hi friends, let us look at some of the important news. My name is Dinesh Haria and I will bring everyday news for all of you. Yesterday, 80,160 new corona cases were reported all over India. This continuing decline in number of cases all over India. This is a very good sign. Total number of active cases as of yesterday was 13.09 lakhs. As of yesterday, 23.27 crore Indian got vaccinated. 5 states still which accounts for almost 50% of cases are Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Maharashtra and West Bengal. In Mumbai yesterday 728 new cases were reported. There is continuing decline in the cases in Mumbai. This is also a very good sign. West Bengal government cancelled class 12 board exams. Reversing his government's COVID-19 vaccination policy amid a chorus of states that it should take over vaccine procurement and probing questions recently from the Supreme Court, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced on Monday that the center will provide free vaccine to all the states for vaccination of all the age group above 18 years of age from June 21. In address to the nation, the Prime Minister said the center will buy 75% of the doses for vaccination, including 25% of the state government quota. No state government will be required to spend any money on this vaccine. The private sector hospital can continue to buy 25% of the vaccination quota, but the service charges are capped at rupees 150 per dose over the fixed cost of the vaccine. Modi government also announced extension of the free food grain scheme until November and this year. The Siohar district administration in Bihar has decided to give gold coins and other home appliances free to those people who take vaccine above the age group of 45. This is to remove the mindset of the people who are not interested in taking the vaccine. They want to vaccine maximum number of people in this district. Yesterday, $1 was equal to 72.81 rupees. The Indian stock market continuing its incline yesterday, and BSE Sensex closed 228 points above the previous day closed and closed at 52,328 points. MRF, one of the leading tire manufacturer in India, reported 51% drop in the net consolidated profit to rupees 332 crore for the last quarter of 2021. Clearing the deck for the takeover of the Dewan Housing Finance Corporation, that is DHFL, by the Piramal Group, the National Company Law Tribunal, that is NCLT, has approved the overall resolution plan submitted by Piramal Capital and Home Finance for the stressed third largest pure play mortgage lender. Sri Gangadhar district of Rajasthan, near the border of Pakistan, has costliest fuel in India, where the petrol is sold at rupees 106.39 and diesel is at rupees 99.24. This is Dinesh Haria signing off.